There is no one best 36-inch professional dual fuel range for every feature. The range you should purchase should match your unique cooking style, whether it's baking, broiling, grilling, roasting, or griddling. In this video, you'll learn the best features and the problems from the best brands like Wolf, Thermador, Miele, Hestan, SKS, and JennAir. You'll also learn reliability based on 37,061 service calls our service department logged just last year. First, let's talk about dual fuel versus all gas in a 36-inch. They look the same, yet are almost completely two different stoves. We actually cover all gas in another video. Let's compare briefly and then look at the ranges. Dual fuel is automatically considered better than all gas when you walk in a store, yet you don't have a clear picture as to why for the $2,000 upcharge. So electric is better for baking because of its drier heat. Self-cleaning is also a standard for electric and is only offered on a few all-gas models. Gas, however, is moisture for better roasting. Also, infrared is better than gas and way better than electric for broiling. Many brands offer upgrades in their dual fuel like enhanced burners, more intuitive controls, and other unique features like Sous Vide. However, if you like baking and added features, then dual fuel may be better. If you like to broil or roast, then consider all gas. Wolf will be all new when you buy one this fall with brand new controls, oven, Wi-Fi functionality, and a touchscreen. The burners max at 20,000 BTU on 2 burners. Their grill and griddle are both infrared gas. Wolf will move away from their dual convection to their verticross blower convection in their wall ovens. Blowers deliver more air than fans. You have more room in the back of the range without the fans as well. Also, you have their Wolf Gourmet settings with 50 pre-programmed selections for foods. You can also input the food, weight, and how you like it cooked. The range calculates time, temperature, and even rack position. Hard to know as it's not on the market yet. Availability is a concern. Hopefully their Wi-Fi will be better than others. At first glance, it doesn't have the recipe tie-ins of a Thermador or JennAir. Their output is good, but no longer the best. Hestan is an interesting new range. It's adapted from their commercial range lineup. They're from Sonoma, California, and are the only range on this list with 12 different colors. Their 5 burners have a 30,000 BTU seal burner, along with 2 23,000 BTU burners and 2 15,000 BTU. You have actual temperature controls on the grill rather than just 1 or 2 settings like other brands. The controls are unique as well. Even the name Marquee is different. The handle houses the controls, and they move in a left to right swipe function like your phone. The pure convection oven is single convection. It changes time and temperature to maintain even heat. With all the names aside, Hestan has solid handles and knobs that are die-cast metal. The igniters are brass and more solid than the others. With the new brand, you have to worry about service and reliability. Specifically, where do you go to when you have a problem? Hestan may have good output, but does not have a grill option or a Wi-Fi experience. SKS is an interesting range with some unique features. Sous Vide, precision boiling in a bag, is an SKS exclusive. The combination of induction, sous vide, and professional burners is the only range to comply with Massachusetts makeup air requirements. They also offer 4 burners with induction and 4 burners with a chromium griddle. The burners are 23 and 15,000 with 18 and 15,000 BTU with induction and sous vide. At 6.3 cubic foot, SKS is the largest oven and has steam assist or combi steam capability. You can cook a meal in steam exclusively in combi or just bursts of steam to bake bread in the steam assist. I'd like to see the steam oven work. If it's like Miele in performance, SKS is well worth considering. However, if it does not and performs like rival Samsung in their cooking products, then it will be an issue. The Wi-Fi experience also is just basic. Miele has the best controls with their Master Chef. You set the food and the specific doneness, and the range calculates the time and temperature. Miele's grill and griddle are infrared with better output than Wolf. You also have steam functionality to caramelize meats or bake bread. In fact, you have 15 automatic programs just for the different types of breads. It's a very cleanable range, and both the grates and burner caps are dishwasher safe. You can self-clean the racks as well. Miele is a combination of high output and low output burners. Half are 19,500 The other two are 13,600 and 12,500. Their output is a bit light versus their competition with half pro burners and half regular. The controls are the most intuitive until the new Wolf debuts, but how can the most advanced company not have a Wi-Fi experience? Thermador, a division of the German Bosch company, is known for cooking. Their professional ranges feature their star-shaped burner, the lowest simmer, and Wi-Fi. They offer two different ranges. They offer their premium Pro Grand and their lesser expensive Pro Harmony. Pro Grand has a clock, one higher output burner than Harmony at 22,000, and a proof mode in the oven. It's larger and will fit a commercial sheet pan due to 3 inches of added depth. This series is available with an induction set of burners as well. The Pro Harmony is less expensive and more popular because its 24-inch depth is in line with your cabinets and doesn't protrude into your kitchen. Thermador has a decent all-around burner. The Thermador Star burner tops out at 18,000 B2 in the Harmony and 22,000 in the Pro Grand. There are two burners capable of extra low simmering, and the raised pedestal style also offers easier cleanup than other round burners. Wi-Fi allows you to start, pause, and abort oven programs remotely along with recipe tie-ins via their Home Connect app on your mobile device. Thermador has a rebate program with free dishwashers and hoods with qualifying purchases. However, the grill and griddle are electric. How many outside electric griddles are there on the market? Almost none, because gas has greater output and is more easily controlled. Thermador improved their Wi-Fi, but it's still a single convection oven. They also lowered half of the burners from 18 to 15,000 BTU in the back of the range. JennAir now has two new different series, the Rise and Noir. They offer an easy-to-clean chromium-fused griddle, infrared grill, and a 20,000 BTU max output. The updated JennAir app offers voice command and an enhanced culinary center showing you doneness before you cook. It's Wi-Fi enabled and allows you to cook with other cooking apps. Availability has made it almost impossible to buy a whole JennAir Pro kitchen. The Wi-Fi experience is robust, yet rated poorly in the app stores. The average appliance is 13.4%, so all these brands are higher, with Wolf being the best. Premium products have more service as a general rule. It's not just service, but education and adjustment as well. It depends on how you cook. Miele has the most cooking functionality and is the easiest to clean with steam capability. JennAir is a beautiful range with good overall features at a good price. Thermador has excellent burners, especially with the simmer. Hestan has some great features along with the highest output, but make sure it can be fixed in your area. SKS has some unique combinations with induction, sous vide, and steam functionality in the oven. The big unknown is Wolf. It's probably one of the best all-around ranges before the improvement. Their gourmet series will improve it considerably, as will the new convection system already in the oven. But do you wait? Reliability, especially education and mind service, is a factor when buying any of these ranges. You should consider the brand with the best service in your area. Click the link in the description below to download our free Pro Cooking Buy Guide and to learn more about popular units with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.